sometimes, small yet meaningful changes can lead to a much healthier life. Our heart health is one of the most critical aspects of our well-being. Today, we're going to uncover 10 incredible vegetables that can help clean your arteries and lower your risk of a heart attack. These simple but effective tips won't just improve your health, they'll also make you feel amazing. Let's dive right in. Vegetables aren't just essential for providing our bodies with key nutrients, they also play a crucial role in reducing plaque buildup in our arteries and improving blood flow. Studies show that the right diet can be a powerful way to prevent heart disease. But which vegetables are the best for this purpose? Let's find out. First on our list is garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which helps relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. It's also packed with anti-inflammatory properties, making it a powerful ally for heart health. Just 1 clove of garlic a day can work wonders. Next up is spinach. This leafy green is rich in potassium and nitrates, which help regulate blood pressure and improve the flexibility of your blood vessels. Plus, spinach is incredibly versatile. You can add it to salads, smoothies, or even cook it as a side dish. Your heart will thank you. Tomatoes are a powerhouse of lycopene, a strong antioxidant that helps lower bad cholesterol levels and clear out your arteries. Whether eaten raw or as a delicious tomato soup, they're both healthy and tasty. Now, let's talk about broccoli. Packed with fiber and antioxidants, broccoli protects your arteries and prevents them from hardening. It's also a great source of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. Whether steamed, roasted, or stir-fried, broccoli is a heart-healthy choice. Avocados are a fantastic source of healthy fats. They're rich in potassium, which helps reduce high blood pressure and improves arterial flexibility. Try avocado toast for breakfast. It's a delicious way to kickstart your day. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which aids in clearing out your arteries. They're also a naturally sweet and crunchy snack option. Perfect for both adults and kids looking for a healthy treat. Finally, let's quickly cover 4 more incredible vegetables: Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, red bell peppers, and asparagus. Each of these is packed with unique vitamins and minerals that protect your arteries and help prevent heart disease. And there you have it. Including these 10 vegetables in your daily diet won't just improve your heart health, it'll also leave you feeling energized and happier. Why not start making small, healthy changes to your lifestyle today? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on healthy living. Take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next video.